All right, for this video, I'm going to talk about all of the supplies that you need for throwing on the wheel. Okay? You can see I've got my wheel set up, I've got my stool close to the wheel, I'm sitting there. The first thing I usually wear is an apron. Right? Throwing on the wheel can be a little bit messy, and so I like to wear an apron. I also get one of the large towels from in that middle storm room, and I like to set that on my lap around here so it's also protecting my legs here. Once I've got that, I'm going to get a yellow bucket and I'm going to fill it halfway up with warm water. Right? The yellow buckets are found underneath the sink, the far right sink. I like to fill it up with warm water when we're throwing on the wheel. We're then going to grab 3 different tools. Okay? The first one we're going to grab is a small sponge. Those are found in a bucket and a basket above the large sponges you use to clean. We're going to grab a wood tool, which is the far left on that Amoco counter. This wood tool, round end, pointy end there. And then I like to use and grab a blue rubber rib. Okay? Those are our tools that we use when we're starting on the wheel. The only other thing we need is obviously clay. And I tell my students and everybody that starts, we're going to start with 1.5 pounds. So I want you to take it out, weigh it, wedge it, and then just like we would maybe in a pinch pot, after we wedge that piece of clay, I want us to pat it into a round ball, hopefully actually using enough force with our patting to get rid of a bunch of those creases and seams that might still be showing up in your clay after you wedge it. Right? So I have my piece of clay here that's kind of patted into a round ball, and I am ready to start throwing on the wheel.